So today I was feeling bored and did not know what to record on. So I had a brilliant idea. See one of these videos you always see online about science experiments? Well, they're actually all fake. So I decided to carry them out, the fake ones and the real ones.
So this is the refraction experiment.
So this principle states that when light moves from an optically less dense medium, which is air, to an optically more dense medium, which is the water in the glass, the light refracts. So I just put the water in the cup and you're going to see the view. So when you look at both the glasses, you see that the pen immersed in water appears to be bent. That's due to the principle of refraction.
So we can confidently say that one was a success.
So now we are moving on to the next one. Subscribe.
So this next one is the fake. No, let me not call it fake. It's the water tornado battery experiment. In as much as I know it's fake, we'll still try it out to prove to you guys that it's fake.
Wee. Wee.
Now for the moment of truth. No. The moment of lies. Oh, no. Is this two terminals that I always see? Fake.
So unfortunately there are no stores open for me to get the supplies. As you can see, the road is very dry, places are not open here. So we are going to turn this into a video series where I'm going to review fake and real science experiments. So if you have come this far to the video, please subscribe and we'll see you in the next one.